Nature. It's one of the few things in life that doesn't change. It just stays the same. I'm no nature expert. Nature it's a beautiful thing. It's brown and green. I love the smells, the tastes, the raw materials, lumber. It's the real deal. It can change a man or woman. I don't know. I don't like city technologies. I live out here. This is my home. There's some people who go on trips and try to, live like this, but this is my life. These are all the clothes I have, so I don't use any of the world's stuff, like cars or phones, basic plumbing. I use what's out here. That's how it was intended. Someone asked me the other day if you could change anything about nature, what would it be? I think that answer is simple. You don't change nature. Nature changes you. To all the people out there that don't like nature, number one, what's wrong with you? Nature it's wonderful. But more than that, more than wonderfulness, it's eye-opening, thought-provoking, optimistic. And you can quote me on this, okay? You out there, you viewers. Things in nature grow. Growth is progress. And progress advances. End quote. There's no thing on this earth that I would rather be doing than moving forward.